This video will cover the basic operation of the VHF FM radio installed in most CAP aircraft. This radio is known as the CAP VHF FM radio. The technical specifications is that it is a Technisonics TDFM-136 radio. To power it on, first make sure the aircraft avionics are powered up. Then simply turn the volume control for the main channel from the off position to an on position. In this case, we'll rotate it so the line is simply facing straight up and down. That's a good starting position. The radio will take a moment to boot up. When the radio power is on, it will either start up on a predefined channel set in the radio programming or on the last used channel. If you wish to change the startup behavior of your radio, work through your squadron communications officer to arrange for radio reprogramming. The VHF FM radio is capable of listening to two channels at once. In this case, you'll notice on the display a top line and a bottom line. The top line shows the main channel and the bottom line shows the guard channel. You can hear both channels at the same time. However, you can only transmit on one at a time. To choose which channel you want to transmit on, you need to check the position of this main and guard switch. It's just below the volume control for the main channel. If the switch is in the up position, it's set to main, and that means your radio will transmit on the channel on the top line of the display. If you change it to the guard position, then your radio will transmit on the channel shown in the guard position or the bottom row of the display. All aircrew members should be able to change the channels on the TDFM radio. To change the channel on the main part of the display, or the top part, press the channel button followed by the channel number. In this case, I'm going to go to channel 31. So I press channel 031, enter. The radio changes to that channel. To change back to channel 125, I press channel and then 125, enter. The radio changes to that channel. You can also change the channel for the guard portion of the radio, or the bottom display. You only have two choices, guard 1 and guard 2, as determined by the switch under the guard volume control. As you flip the switch, that channel changes. Another feature radio operators should be aware of is the ability to change the power on the radio from low to high and vice versa. That's a switch under the squelch button. Right here, you can change the radio from high power to low power. Most of the time you should be operating on low power. Occasionally you may need to use high power so people can hear you at longer ranges. When you're done using the radio, you should turn it off. That's done the same way you turned it on. Same switch, the main volume control. Simply rotate that to the left until it clicks to the off position. And then the radio is turned off. That concludes the training on all the basic operational features of the TDFM-136 radio, the CAP VHF FM radio installed in most CAP aircraft. Blue Mesa 42 out.